Hi, I'm Brian Doyle, founder and CEO of AXIUS. Congratulations on starting your journey, and we're excited to have you part of the team. We've all heard that having a strong core is important, but it's difficult to fully understand what that means. Our core is much more than just our midsection. It's responsible for our body's posture when we're standing still and controls how well we're able to perform any movement. And understanding your core is truly the key to unlocking your body's potential. These brief videos will tell you everything you need to know in order to get the most out of your AXIUS experience.
In the box, you'll find your AXIUS unit, stability ring, resistance band, and phone holder.
To charge your AXIUS unit, plug the provided USB power cable into your LED ring. You'll see a red LED light when your unit is in need of charging, a red and green LED light when it's 90% charged, and a green LED when it's 100% charged.
If you're training on a soft surface like carpet or rubber flooring, we recommend using a knee mat in an area where you have at least 6 square feet of space. If you're training on a hard surface like a wood floor, we recommend using our 6-foot round area mat.
To download the AXIUS app, click on the link below, which will bring you through a 2-step process to first download Test Flight and then download AXIUS Alpha. Once your unit is charged and turned on, ensure Bluetooth on your phone is enabled. Open the AXIUS app and sign up using your email address. The app will automatically search for and connect to your unit and will indicate the connection in the top right corner. In the next video, we'll explain some helpful tips to ensure success during your workouts.